Hello everybody, and thanks for joining my video. Don't forget, if this information is helpful, please subscribe and like to my video. So let's get right into it. So today I'm going to show you how you can locate liens on a property prior to purchasing them. Now, I'm giving you this tool only because this particular county actually has the recorded documents online. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You either could do it the free and cheap way, or you can do this the expensive way, which is not that expensive if you start closing deals. Like, you can call a title company or an escrow company and they can look up the searches for you. Or you can do it this way if the county has their recorded documents online. So we're just going to look up this one property really quick. Let's see what they have on here. Now, this is an easy, cheap way because the county has their recorded documents online, but every county is not going to have their documents online. And as you can see, this is everything that is recorded on this parcel lot number. So this person doesn't have any type of liens on here. If they did, then they would be recorded and they would be in this space. Now, this is the quick, easy, simple way to do it by going to the county and looking on their website, like where it says right here, Fresno County Recorder's Office. They have everything online. If they don't have it online, you actually can go down to the assessor's office, the recorder's office, and you can look up the property with the parcel number. Sometimes people just don't have the time or energy to do that. The most I wouldn't say inexpensive way, but if you want to save time, you can open up an escrow or call a title company and have them do the research. This one was a real easy one, so I'm going to go back and look up another one. So let's go back. We're going to go to the parcel number search. And as you guys can see here, you can do a name search or you could do a document search. But you do need to know the parcel number. And if you're looking for liens, you really don't know what document to look for. So I always do the parcel lot number, and I copied and saved one, so hopefully it'll let me. Come on. Why are you not letting me? Okay, there we go. Paste. No, I don't want that one. How dare you? Hold on. I'm going to copy and paste. Hold on just a second. Let me go. Not that list. This list. See, I was trying to copy and paste this list. Let's see, hold on. Copy. And we're going here and we're gonna paste. Hopefully it'll let me paste it. There we go. I don't know why my system's acting so funny these days. So this is another property that I'm looking up really quick. And I think I looked this one up. That's why I wanted to show you, because the other one was really easy. Okay, now you guys see this property has way more liens recorded on it. So, for example, if there were like a mechanics lien or an IRS lien, you would see that on this document. As you can see, Wells Fargo, they must have gotten a loan from Wells Fargo, so they're on there. They also must have got a loan from Citibank. They're on here. So as you can see, this is an easy, quick way. This county just so happens to be an easier one because you can get all the recorded documents online. Now, there are some counties where you can actually view it. For the sake of this video, Fresno County does not allow you to view them. You have to pay for them, but there are some counties where you can actually view the actual deed or whatever is recorded. And I will do that in another video so that I can show you what to look for. But I just wanted to just show you this is all that's recorded on this property. So this is how you would find if there were liens on the property. Someone asked me how to do that, and I told them I would create a video. So if this was helpful, and if you liked what you saw, please subscribe or like my video. Thank you so much for your time.